Yes, I'm kind of giving you Ralph Lauren Park Ranger realness today. My stack will never be that of the incomparable, the unstoppable, the unbeatable Mr. Stack himself, the maximalist. But just to let you guys know, today I'm wearing my Rolex two-tone date just with my David Yurman two-tone cuff and an Hermes Click H bracelet in brown. What's up guys, it's Wil Mikahson. Welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys so much. Happy New Year, happy holidays, all of that good stuff. I have so many videos coming for you guys. I just want to get right into them. I'm gonna do a sit down video. If you follow me on Instagram, most of you guys know. First of all, if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go over to Instagram right now and follow me at Wil_Mikahson. I don't post as much as I should, but I'm going to start posting a lot more on there. But I still have to say, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I went to Paris. And before Paris, I was just doing a bunch of other things. You guys know that I just loaded a vlog from early December. So next coming up is going to be my Paris vlogs, shop with me vlogs in Paris, and then what I bought in Paris. But before we get into all of that, this whole situation is because of Cynthia Avila, who left a message under my unboxing of my, what was the last Louis Vuitton trunk I got? Can't even remember. Under my reveal of my Boyd Pharmacy, she left a comment that said, "There's a trunk on FASHIONPHILE's outlet." Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to me? So of course I ran over there to FASHIONPHILE's outlet and saw this beautiful, beautiful vintage trunk sitting there just in clearance. No one had touched it. Like, how did it make it to clearance? More importantly, how did I miss it? You guys know I am on FASHIONPHILE all the time. Actually, I've scaled back a lot of it, okay? I've scaled back from FASHIONPHILE a whole hell of a lot. So that's how I can understand how it got slipped through these little fingers of mine. But when she said that, I was just like, what? What are you talking about? There is a trunk on FASHIONPHILE in the outlet section. I say all of that to say, and you guys can see from the title of the video, I purchased a Bisten 65, a vintage Bisten 65 from FASHIONPHILE's website. You guys know that they're my long loved, trusted website. Now that they partner with Neiman Marcus, they are unstoppable. Watch out for them, okay? Big things are going. Big things are coming from FASHIONPHILE and Neiman Marcus. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not working with them, but I've just been shopping with them enough to know big things are coming. So let's hop straight into this unboxing. I'm so excited. As you guys can see, I opened it because I had to check and make sure the package was okay. And I have been out of town and I had, you know, the holidays and stuff. So I haven't been able to really get into it, but we are going to get into it together right now. Guys, this box is so big that I can't even do it on film. So you guys are gonna see it from this angle. What is happening right now? Okay. It's like the never-ending monogram. It's like monogram. Okay, so here is what the inside of the box looks like. Outside of that, it was just tons and tons of bubble wrap. Before we get into the item, let's just make sure that there's no goodies in the bottom of the box, because I did purchase this just before Christmas. More tissue. Come on. Here is the, you've got options. This is just a card. FASHIONPHILE, I told you guys, FASHIONPHILE and Neiman Marcus. This is just a card with their co-branding on it. This tells you you've got options, baby. You can drop off a bag if you want to sell it. This is my receipt and all of the accompanying paperwork for my trunk in there. Here is a FASHIONPHILE dust bag, which I don't think it's gonna fit the trunk. Whatever. Last but not least, good old FASHIONPHILE thank you card. No, FASHIONPHILE, thank you for making my Louis Vuitton trunk dreams come true. And of course, there's a little confetti in there for you. There's always a asshole driving by when I'm filming, revving his engine. Like, where are you going and why? Anyway, this is the envelope that the item came in. It just says FASHIONPHILE right there, just like that. We're gonna open it together. There's more confetti falling out. Not happening. So without further ado, I present to you guys my beautiful vintage Louis Vuitton Bisten 65. This thing is, it's a beauty. It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna take you step by step through every single piece of this bag, of this trunk. As you guys know, if you have not been watching my channel, I had a slight debacle with a trunk before, 2 trunks ago, from FASHIONPHILE. So the first thing that I promise myself I will do every time I get a trunk is to ensure that the lock works. And it does. Okay guys, so this is the back of the trunk. There are some nicks here, which I feel like I can get them out. There's a couple white spots there. The brass is definitely tarnished, but again, we're gonna try to work that out and get that cleaned as well. There's some scratching there. So if you guys have been following me, I keep saying that, but you guys know this is probably the most worn, the most vintage trunk that I've purchased from FASHIONPHILE. Usually I purchase them in very good to excellent condition, but there's something about this piece that I just find to be so beautiful. I am still gonna clean it up. Here you have the FASHIONPHILE outlet tag. For those of you who didn't believe I got it from the outlet, there is that. There's their typical tag, remove the tag on the bag, which I am not getting rid of this. Here is what the Vachetta hardware looks like. I mean, the Vachetta leather looks like. It's a beautiful vintage honey patina color. This is the luggage tag. It does have some stains on it. That is what the front of it looks like. And you can see a little bit of that green, you know, when the, I don't know what that's called when it turns green, but you can see some of that on the hardware. So that's basically the entire outside of the bag. So when you open the trunk, you have to undo the latches here, latch here. And you guys, it is this beautiful. The interior is much, much more pristine than the exterior. I'm guessing that someone just used this as a display piece because it is really, really impeccable. The straps aren't dirty. The brass here is tarnished, but that's okay. It's also tarnished there a little bit, but outside of that one stain right there, which I'm sure I can get out, the inside of this is pristine and it smells like vintage goodness. So this is officially my Louis Vuitton trunk collection as it stands right now. I don't see myself getting another piece, but who knows? Somebody else may slide in the comments and tell me there's another piece that's in the clearance section on FASHIONPHILE's website. Also, if you guys would be interested in a video of me showing you how I restore the hardware on my briefcase, I will do a restoration of the Bisten 65 so you can see the complete transformation. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I just want to do a really, really quick unboxing. or reveal of my Louis Vuitton Bisten 65. If you have any further questions about this trunk, please do leave it in the comment section below. As I mentioned, if you guys are interested in me doing a restoration video, I can do a time lapse, whatever you guys want. Anybody out there who has trunks or brass items that they want to know how to restore them, let me know. I will walk you guys through the process if that's what you want, but you gotta comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for supporting me in my absence. Loads and loads of videos are coming your way very, very soon. Again, to Cynthia Avila, muchas gracias, mi amor. I don't even know if you're Spanish. Forgive me, but thank you. Thank you to FASHIONPHILE. Thank you to all of you who did not want to buy this item and let it go to the outlets. I love you all so, so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not done so, and go to Instagram and follow me over there too. Love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.